Find x. What we have here is we have three parallel lines and two lines that are not parallel that cut through it. Now there's a little rule, and I'll try to draw this similar to what we have here. It's obviously not going to be the same. But there's a little rule that says, let's call you A, let's call you B, let's call you C, let's call you D. If these three lines are parallel, then what we could do is set up a proportion A over B equals C over D. Now we have something very similar, but it's incomplete. See, I have 25 here. I don't have that chunk, so 25 would be C. I don't have A. Oh, but you know what I could do? I could do 35, this whole thing, minus 25, which is 10. Okay? Here, I have 22, but I don't have this part right here, but I do have the whole thing. Now, if what I did to find this chunk over here was do the whole thing minus 25, then why don't I do the whole thing minus 22? In other words, 7 plus 14x minus 22, which is 14x combined like terms, negative 15. So I'll call you 14x minus 15. Now I can set up A over B, 10 over 22, equals C over D, 25 over 14x minus 15. So let me erase this chunk right here and do just that. 10 over 22 equals 25 over 14x minus 15. We have a proportion, so you could do crisscross applesauce. 22 times 25 would be 550. We're going to set that equal to 10 times, a group, so I have to set up distributive property, 10 times 14x minus 15. So my first step in this problem is to do distributive properties, so 550 just drops down. 10 times 14x is 140x. 10 times negative 15 is minus 150. Now we have a two-step equation. I can add 150 to both sides. When I do that, I get 700 equals 140x. One more step. Divide 140 from both sides, and x is 5. Now, there's several ways that you could do this. There's several proportions that you could use, but I'm using the rule that we're given, and that rule is you have three parallel lines, that over that equals that over that. I could also have done 10 over 25 equals 22 over 14x minus 15. It'll all work out anyway because crisscross applesauce gives you a little bit of maneuverability. And that's it, we're done.